Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's.
Hey dolls, wagwan, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to refilm that black jet black, or the black is black smoky eye makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how that come out or that turn out, then continue watching. Okay dolls, so I filled in the brows and now I'm going to go in with my transition color. I'm going to go in with my Beauty Creations Ruby palette, and I'm going to take this cool tone brown here. This one, you guys know I use that shade a lot, so that shade would be my transition color. So I'm going to, I don't want my smoky, my, what do I call it now, I don't want the colors or the shadow too high up on the brow rather. So I'm going to keep it as low as possible, guys. There's music playing in the background, and my hope it now pick up on the video for YouTube go flag me. I really hope it's not. But anyways, I'm going to put down this color and I'm going to blend it out, like blend it right out, because we're not going to use any other color above it. So we're just going to blend it right out. It's how the color look on camera. It looks gray, but it's brown. Trust me, it's brown. So you see that just look like already just looks smoky. So what we did on the first eye, we're going to do it on the second eye, as usual. And with a light hand, I'm just going back and forth with my fluffy brush. And what I do, I put my mirror, I hold my mirror down and I tilt my head up, tilt my head up back, okay? I tilt my head back a little so I can see clearly, and there's not much creasing. So I'm actually seeing the entirety of the lid. Bad. Doesn't look bad at all. It looks blended. Yeah. Then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Creations Anna palette, and I'm going to take, why not open? And I'm going to take the black out of that palette. Like, if you now watch, like, even how long me I do YouTube? Me I do YouTube. Even now, I don't remember. If you now watch me from that time, like, comment down below. Because you know me use a palette here. I use this palette. I used to use this palette in almost every single makeup tutorial. So I'm going to go in with a flat but fluffy at the top brush, and I'm going to use that apply the black shadow all over my lid, and I build up the intensity as I go along. So what I'm doing, I'm just patting that onto the lid. Yeah. And build it up to my liking. And I want this super black. I want it fully matte. So yes, I'm going in into my inner corners as well, but not too far in. Do I want to do a bow? I should have no, no, no. More drawing. And I'm going close as possible to my lash line, so it's super duper black. Then the first fluffy brush we use and blend out that colors, I'm going to use that and blend the two colors together. So you can't see a separation between either two. You see? You just go back in and you just blend it. You just blend the colors interchangeably from there. You build it up to how you want it. This trick to a smoky eye is a fluffy eyeshadow brush, a fluffy blending brush, and a very light hand. Yeah. And also the placement of your shadows. You don't want never go too high with a black, and you still don't want to go too high with a dark brown either. Keep under my brows clean and fresh. And you're actually seeing the colors of my eye popping out. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have a very detailed foundation routine on my channel, but I'm just going to speed up this portion and then we'll jump back to the eyes.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be
My LA Girl gel eyeliner in the shade black, jet black. Yeah, I need to get the ink black gel liner, but every time I go on Amazon to order it, it's sold out. And then there is this we call it, there's this online store, this online makeup store in Jamaica, and every time I go on the girl page, it's sold out. Like, gosh, that's how I buy the LA one, you know, but I'm going to go in on a powder, not powder, on a liner brush, and I'm going to take that in my waterline. Because as I said, I want the look to be, you see the difference? I want it to be fully black, fully black, fully dark. and I'm basically pulled it out so it looks like a wing. Okay, my eyes are so watery. Yeah. Okay, doll, so this is the finished look. This is how everything turned out. If you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, let me know down in the comments section. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. Comment down below what was your favorite part about the look. And on that note, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Go and be up on yourself and continue to be simply amazing.